My name is Aaron Eubank. I'm the Vice President of Voodoo Robotics, and in this video I'm going to be talking about picking carts. Now, what is a picking cart? Well, a picking cart could be any type of mobile application. It can be a standard cart on wheels, it can be a flat truck, it can be a forklift truck, it even can be a reach truck. Now, how does this device help or can be used in those scenarios? Well, on a picking cart, you can have these devices on a tote or on a particular rack where these will light up, flash. Maybe it tells me what to put there, or maybe this lights up to tell me what to pick up from. But you can also have this on the side of the cart. So imagine that I'm walking down the aisle with a cart or a trolley, and right in front of my face there's a device that's facing me that's telling me where I need to go and what I need to do. But yet on the side of the cart there's actually multiple of these devices on each rack level that these will light up to tell me what to place or what to pick up from. So because this has a custom display, it can be used in several different ways on a picking cart. Now you may be asking, well, how does this work on a forklift truck or a reach truck? Well, there's several ways. An easy and simple way is maybe you have an issue with your forklift operators where they're putting the wrong pallets in the wrong locations. Maybe they have a sheet of paper, maybe they've been there long enough and they know which location is the best one, or for some reason that location is full and so they decide to put it on the other location next to it because they think that that's the best location. Okay, there could be lots of scenarios. Well, you could use this as a validation. Basically, inside the truck, inside that forklift truck or inside that reach truck, this device is facing the operator so that when he goes to the location to scan to confirm that that is the right location he's supposed to be placing that set of inventory there, then this will light up, or it may flash with a buzzer sound telling him, nope, that's the wrong location, it's the one to the left, or it's the one to the right, or maybe it just tells him the proper location and to try again. Okay? There's lots of ways that this device can be used for a picking or mobile application. Now, you've probably looked at our website and tried to figure out how does that work with a traditional turbo. If you want to know more about this application and how it can be used in your operations, please give us a call at 972-914-8758.